Oh, look what's here. You know what that is? Come on, I'll show you. This must be my lucky day. Here it is. My favorite new gadget for cooking. You know what it is? I'm going to open it for you tonight. Hear the rain out there? Peaceful, isn't it? Alright. Beautiful. My favorite cooking gadget. Makes me hungry just looking at the box. You know we use these a lot, right? Logics. Do you have any? We use them 2-3 times a week. For years now. Hang on. Oh, the thunder! Oh, the thunder! My tap dancing. Yes. Yes. Want to guess the color? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, beautiful. Blue. Now, the blue one, the mini, was my very first one, but this one is special. This is an XP. Remember the XP? Extra special. And what's XP about it? It's expandable, which you can cook your regular food in the bottom, and then the top. Well, I'll show you what else is in here too. The top expands, so you can put. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Mine has the container. Sometimes we get a Pyrex, sometimes we get plastic, or any fast food container will fit in there. Remember, the cord is in the back. Oh, I like these new leather tabs they have on the zippers. So that's the bottom with the heating element. Oh, a new book. Good, we got a new book. Look at all the colors. Still waiting for camo. Quick start guide, which is so easy. All you do is put your food in and plug it in. Has a heating element, you know. And we can remove these two to use as a hot plate. Maybe you saw Kathy's video making ribs that way. But the top, the XP part, you could use it just like that. Cook, take it to work, leave it on the counter. We cook a lot just in the kitchen. We don't travel a lot with them, but we have in the past. The top, the XP, is expandable. Look at that. That's what makes it good for picnics or something. You can put your paper plates in top, rolls or whatever, your salt and pepper. Also got a shoulder strap. Snap that on and carry it on the shoulder, you know, wherever you're going. So you could use it the mini way or the expanded way. That's great. I love that. But there's something else in the box. We have a family size, a casserole size too. Maybe you saw that, but look at this. A Max Oven XP. Oh. Casserole size. I'm so excited for this. Oh, look. And this one is the XP as well, which is incredible. Which gives me an idea that maybe we should use it for our Friday picnic this week. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the leather tabs there. That's really nice. Whoa, it's trying to heat up. This has a big heating element inside, which is for like a 9x13 casserole size. Again, how can we help you? Customer service is excellent. They're very nice. Warm welcome. There's stuff I'll read later. Quick start guide. some recipes. I don't see no camo there, do I? No. Excellent. And this as well is the XP. I'm getting ideas already what to make in it for Friday. Then you open this part. Look at that expansion pack. Wow. Oh boy. Isn't that great? Take it to the beach. Take it camping. Take it to a picnic for your family. Wherever you're going. Make your casserole at home overnight. Plug it in. It'll be done in the morning or whenever. Look how big that is. This could be your whole picnic basket. It could. Another shoulder strap. Clips right on here. Look at this. Zip it up. Put your paper plates in there, like I said before, your drinks maybe, whatever. Your cold stuff, your cool stuff. I think go like this. Isn't it great? What do you got in there? Got my whole lunch in there. You can have this one on the other side. I didn't hook the strap on here yet, but isn't that cool? So this is the best invention for cooking. It's so easy. You put your food in there. We cooked frozen chicken in here already. Put your chicken breast in there and whatever you like with it. Gravy or vegetables or whatever. And then probably, if it's frozen, 3-4 hours. But if it's not frozen, 2 hours, sometimes 1 hour. But you can put it in there before you go to work. And when you come home, it's done. It's perfect. It won't get burnt. It stays the perfect temperature. It stays the temperature of slow cooker on low. This is really nice. I had to share this with you before I cooked in it, but now that I see this, like I said, before I even opened it, I have ideas what I'm going to make with it for Friday. Want to join us on Friday? How about you? You got an idea like that?
Me? I thought you were talking to them. Oh my gosh, that is a nice one.
Yeah,
really,
it really
beautiful.
is. Put your casserole dish in there. Whatever. Frozen food packages.
Yeah, the hot stuff on the bottom and the
Yeah.
cold stuff on top.
Yeah. Paper plates, forks, knives. The whole picnic kit together right here. Beautiful. Heating element. Removable again, as I said. Let me close this back up, show you how easy it is. I like the straps that come with it. What do they have on the back like? Handles. I thought you heard some more rain. We had some thunder right before we turned the camera on. Tuck it in a little bit. And you're all back to normal.
They really enhanced it with the leather tabs
And the insulation.
see in the front there's a little logo.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's really nice.
That's how we're used to using it. You know, you saw it. We cooked with these so many times. We have small ones that we used for our birthday party we had a couple weeks ago. Got everything prepared ahead of time. So nice. All right, please subscribe. Oh, check this out. Use my discount code if you want one of these. You gotta have one, even the mini, the regular mini. And you can get them with a plug to plug right into your car outlet adapter. You know, I'm looking at them right over here. I got them in the kitchen. There's our regular mini size. That's perfect. But to add the XP feature is nice. Stay tuned. I'll put a link down there. Thanks, Anna. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy the rain. I love it right now. 4. Hey, I want some more of this. Oh, there's more in there. Hang on. Don't go yet. All right, see you, everybody. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks like there's some kind of veggie lasagna in there. Oh. Fresh, leftovers, cooked, frozen. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at it up through the hole. All right, see you.